President Obama reiterates the need for health care reform and continues his public push for a bill before Congress's August recess. Fox's Courtney Keeley has details from Washington.
But make no mistake, we are closer than ever before to the reform that the American people need, and we're going to get the job done.
President Obama reiterated his push for health care reform, calling for action over inaction. But the president didn't address looming questions on the details of a plan, including tax hikes to pay for it, or if his self-imposed timeline will be met.
We can come together and insist that this time it will be different.
He reached out to a group of key Democratic holdouts, inviting the members to the White House.
A lot of good negotiations. It was productive. No final decisions are yet made on cost containment measures.
The group of fiscally conservative Blue Dog Democrats advocate lower taxes and want the government to exercise restraint in its spending.
I think that was the real game changer when the CBO came out with that estimate of the real cost of this bill. And I think it's why you've seen some people backtrack on full support of the legislation.
But health care may have hit a roadblock after a House committee indefinitely postponed reviewing a proposed reform bill. Representative John Shadegg, a member of that committee, says the process needs to be slowed down so the public can learn more details.
I think they ought to be able to see this bill, they ought to be able to read this bill, they ought to be able to learn about this bill. And right now it's being rushed through so quickly that no American has a chance to do that.
Politicians on both sides here on Capitol Hill are saying the deadline may come and go, but what's most important is getting health care reform right. In Washington, Courtney Keeley, Fox News.